What envelope do I use for passport renewal? I am going to show you what envelope you use for passport renewal. Missing documents or incorrect details are leading causes of passport renewal delays. To avoid these issues, you should proceed as follows. DS82 renewal from your records, your details, including the previous passport issuance date. You should complete it accurately. A passport offices share records with other authorities like the IRS. You can request additional pages or a passport card when renewing your passport. If you want to renew a passport card, you should include it too. The passport office will return your current passport once it has processed your new one. People who have changed their names since receiving their previous passports must include documents that support the changes. Examples include marriage certificates and divorce decrees that bear their current names. If you have not changed your name, you can skip this step. The US passport photo guidelines dictate the right way to take a photo, including what you should wear. Photos that do not meet these requirements are unacceptable and result in passport delays. If you need help deciding which photo to include, you can contact our 1VP team, which can get you a high-quality image within expedited timelines. You can pay for the passport renewal via a personal check or a money order. The check or money order should bear the passport applicant's full name and date of birth. Additionally, you should ensure the check or money order is payable to the U.S. Department of State.